This is JMK Hussain and you are watching my YouTube channel Sticky Table Header. In this episode, we will learn how to make table header sticky using only CSS. Most of material available with jQuery or JavaScript can achieve these tasks. But in this episode, I will show you how can we make table header sticky without jQuery or JavaScript. So let's start. I already write some code to display table data. Now I'm going to apply sticky styling. I assign it table double hyphen sticky class on table element. Why I used double hyphen here is actually beam methodology. I already shared link in a description. You can learn from that link. Now open style, then I'm going to apply some styling. Table with 100%. After that, table head, position sticky. This option will make your table header sticky. Most of modern browser already supported this property. Then I write left position 0, top 0, background color primary, text color white, padding 10 pixel. I save style file. Let's check the output. As you see now, style already applied. Now I scrolling down. You can see sticky header is working. I scroll up and sticky header restore on top. I hope you like this video. Well, soon I will come back with another video. Till then, goodbye.